So you've cleaned up your social media profiles, you've revisited and maybe revised your social media strategy. Now let's make a change to how you do social media over the next 6 months. Hey everybody, my name is Chris Norris with Revox Social. This is your Revox resource video for the week. We have walked through how to spring clean your social media profiles, your social media strategy. And up to this point, hopefully you found that information valuable. And now you're ready to look ahead to the coming months to change the way you approach your social media accounts. So today I want to talk about 3 simple ways that you can put some of these steps into action. Step 1, now that you've looked at your insights and your analytics, last week we talked about understanding your audience, reevaluating your content, you have a better idea of where you should be spending your time. There's lots of social media channels. It's tough to keep up with all of them and to understand how to do each of them effectively. Today, I want to encourage you to pick one. Based on those stats, those analytics and insights you looked at, pick one social profile where you know your audience hangs out at and spend time there. Focus your energy and your attention there. Let me give you an example. You look at your insights and you realize that a lot of your audience is perhaps females between the ages of 25 and 45. Well, guess what? That audience spends lots of time on Instagram. So maybe over the next 6 months or so, you really dive into Instagram. Understand how to use it better. Create more content specific to that audience on that platform. Remember, looking at your audience, understanding what platforms they use the most, and then shifting your focus and your energy to that social platform. Focus on one and do one better than you were doing before. So the second step to put this action into place and to move forward with your new social media approach is to create more content more consistently. So you've already reevaluated your social profiles, you've cleaned up your bio, you've identified your audience, you're ready to focus on one platform. But the big next step here is to figure out how to create more content more consistently. How can you post more? So here's an idea I want to share with you, a content calendar. A calendar is a great way to organize information and ideas and filter it into your social media platforms. Content calendars are very effective ways to front load some of your social media posts for the weeks or months ahead, so that as you schedule in advance some of that content, it frees you up to spend what little time you probably have to interact and engage with your followers on social media. So set up a content calendar. It can be very simple. Pick a few content pillars, which we've talked about in past videos, but those content pillars can be an informational post, an entertaining post, or an engaging post. And if you have questions about what those posts look like, we're happy to help you with that. But make a content calendar, pick some content pillars to put on that content calendar, and schedule your content in advance so that there is consistent post going out to your social profiles. The third and final step to really take action moving forward and changing the way you do social media is to set goals for the next 6 months. Now, regardless of what your goals might have been for the beginning of the year, you've just spent the last 2 weeks revising your profile, revisiting your strategy, kind of changing the way and cleaning up the way that you do social media. So it's okay to change your goals. Maybe at the beginning of the year, your goal was just to get some new followers. And hopefully you've accomplished that goal over these first couple months. But now, in the next 6 months, maybe you want to change your goal because you want to actually see people take an action from social media. You want people to go from your social media posts to your product page on your website. Set a goal to maybe increase traffic to your website from social media. Set those kinds of goals for the next 6 months so that you can look ahead and see if you can achieve those goals. And then once you get there, look back to see what you did right in getting people to do what you want them to do through social media. So it's okay to revise your goals, but it's important to have those goals into place so you can measure success over the next several months. Again, those 3 things. Focus on that one channel that you've identified, dive into it, do it better, spend more time on the platform that you know your audience is hanging out on. Create more content consistently, use a content calendar and content pillars to do that. And finally, set some new social media goals for the next 6 months. I hope that you have found this spring cleaning of your social media profiles helpful. I hope that your social media strategy is feeling renewed and refreshed. And I hope you are excited to move forward with changing the way you do social media effectively and simply. If you are ready to put any of these steps into action, if you are ready for someone to look at your social strategy, your social profiles to see if you're ready to move forward and make some significant strides in how you use social media, we would love the opportunity to do that. You can set up a 30-minute or 60-minute consultation with Revox Social by visiting revoxsocial.com.